Video a couple of times, but this is by far my favorite thing with Young Living is their Thieves household cleaner, and I'm gonna make them into wipes. So the hardest part of this whole thing is to cut the paper towels in half. Find a container that's either glass or a really high quality non-BP BFA plastic. I made a sign for Len Cricket. You can make them any way you want. You take distilled water, super important, not tap water. 2 cupfuls. I'm going to take 2 capfuls of these household cleaner just because I like it super concentrated. I do add on occasion, especially in the fall, like some fall-like scents like clove and thieves and different things just for fun. But for the most part, 2 cups of water. I'm gonna add this onto my paper towels. Oh, can't hold it that way. And then you're gonna wait about 2 minutes. And the only reason you're doing that is to get this inside of the paper towel roll wet enough so that you can easily pull it out. So that takes a few minutes just for this all to soak in. And then I have paper towels. I usually do 2 of these maybe every 4 to 6 weeks. I have one on my main floor and one in my bathroom, and then I use them for every surface in my house, especially toilets. One of my favorite things, countertops in my kitchen, whatever it is. That's it. Thieves household cleaning wipes, super fantastic, cheap to make. Thanks for joining us.